In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase text in a PDF in Smallpdf. We'll start by opening your web browser and heading to Smallpdf's website. It's a simple, web-based toolkit for working with PDFs, so there's nothing to install and it works on most modern browsers. Once the homepage loads, look for the Login button, usually found at the top right. Click that to sign in. On the login screen, choose Continue with Google. This is just a quick way to authenticate without creating a new password. Select your Google account to proceed. If you're already signed in, you may be taken straight into your dashboard. That's perfectly fine. From your dashboard or the home page, find the Edit Text option and select it. You'll be prompted to upload your PDF. You can drag and drop your file into the window or browse your computer to select it. After the file uploads, Smallpdf will open it in the editor. Inside the editor, click on Edit Text to make sure you're in the correct mode for changing the content. This enables direct editing of text elements that Smallpdf detects in your document. Now locate the area of the PDF that contains the text you want to remove. Move your cursor over that text and double-click on the text box to activate it. You should see a text cursor appear, indicating that you can now make changes. Next, highlight the exact text you want to erase. You can click and drag over the characters or hold Shift and use your arrow keys for precise selection. Make sure you only select what you want to remove to avoid altering other parts of the layout. With the text highlighted, press the backspace key or the delete key on your keyboard to erase it. The selected text will disappear immediately. If the spacing around the removed text looks off, you can tap the spacebar once or twice or adjust surrounding characters to tidy up the line. Take a moment to scan the area and confirm that the result looks clean and consistent with the rest of the document. A quick note, if your PDF is a scanned image or the text has been flattened into shapes, direct editing may be limited. In those cases, try selecting different areas to see what's editable. If the text highlights normally, you're good to go. That's all there is to it. You've opened Smallpdf, signed in with Google, chosen Edit Text, uploaded your file, activated the text box, highlighted the content you don't want, and erased it with a simple keystroke. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, more accurate PDF.